Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create public reels and grow engagement. Start by choosing a focused topic and a strong hook within the first 2 seconds. Next, outline 3 beats: hook, value, and call to action, and rehearse pacing so transitions feel natural. Pick a simple visual style and consistent colors to build recognition. Finally, export high-quality video and add captions for accessibility before posting publicly. When planning your reel, be intentional about the message and the order of shots. Create a 1-sentence concept and break the content into 3 clear beats that map to hook, value, and closing. Select a location with good lighting and minimal background noise, and prepare captions and on-screen prompts ahead of time. Planning like this saves time while filming and helps your audience immediately understand and act on the content. Film with intention by keeping shots steady and speaking clearly, aiming for short takes you can cut together smoothly. Edit to emphasize the most valuable moments and trim any filler to keep energy high. Layer captions and background music at low volume so your voice remains clear, and add simple transitions to create a polished flow. Export with high bitrate and vertical 9/16 settings to ensure crisp playback on mobile devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.